Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So this is part 2 of working on the Figo. The specific video that you guys are querying is that I've changed the headlights on the Figo. I showed you how to do the left hand side, which is the easy part, and then you guys were asking about this side as you seem to struggle. So why I'm changing the headlights is to show you I'm going to upgrade them once again. We went to LED lights that I'm really not happy with. It's not that bright for me at all. So we will be changing both of them. So currently we have this LED white. As you can see how nice that looks. But the issue that I had to have with it is that the brights and the dims is exactly the same thing, and it isn't as bright as I hoped it to be. So it looks good. But for me personally, it's not practical at all. So I do have this old Xenon kit of mine. I just quickly want to remove everything there. I'm going to show you how it works. And then I'm going to show you how to do that. And then I first want to test and see if the Xenons still work or not. So let's go ahead. Let's open the hood and start that side. So with this side opened, all we need to do basically this side is just remove that bolt, and then we can pick this whole setup up and just move it to the side. Then we have the whole back opening to work with the light. Let me get that done. I'll show you what I'm talking about. With the bolt removed, you can now just take your bottle. This has only got a clip at the back. You don't even need to touch it. You can just pick it up straight, and then from here we're just gonna move it out of the way so that we can work at the back of that light. As you can see, there is everything that we need access to. I think I'm just going to let it cool down a bit, as it is still hot from the previous service that we done on the Figo. You'll watch, if you go to the previous video, you'll notice that we did a service on the Figo. So I'm just going to wait for it to cool down a bit, and then I will be start to working on the lights. While I'm waiting for it to cool down, I'll also start with this side and then also test those Xenon lights to see if they are working or not. So this side is actually the easiest part. The reason for that is that you have a big hole opening at the back, and then if I put my hand against it, you'll notice that if I look through here, I can also see where I'm working. So I can remove that cover, and then at the back of this thing, let me just put the camera in there. You'll notice that there's a pin right here. Where is it? There we go. That you can just push down, push to the side, open up this one, and then you can take your whole light out. So there, if I just move my hand to this side, as you see, I removed it now from this side because I do have enough space. And then I hold my camera here so that you can see it. And then now I can just put my hand in here, take the light out, and then just disconnect it there by that connector, and that's it. That's how easy and simple this side is. So let me test those Xenons quickly. Just want to see if they're going to work this side. So this side we have our Xenon installed, and then this side is just normal LED. So I'm not 100% sure yet which one is brightest. Something that I've noticed with this Xenon kit, that this is dims and that is bright. And it does seem like it warms up slowly, and then as it warms up, it does become brighter and brighter and brighter. So I'm actually quite curious to see how bright it is. But yeah, I will install both of them. That looks actually nice and clean. I like the look of that. That's really nice and clean. So I'll also be installing this side, and then tonight we will test them. We'll definitely know if they are better or not I'm just really curious with that blue, because that's supposed to be bright. That's supposed to be like super bright. So I'm not really sure, but we'll see. So let's go ahead with this side. I just take this bottle, pull it out, just give it a bit of space. The reason for that is that once you pick this one up, you'll notice that this pipe can go there in between and it doesn't damage any of the lights. So now once again, you have a lot of open space here where you can use your hand to get in on this side to change this bulb. So now you just go ahead, take this out. With this, it's got like a small place you can hold on here. Take that out, and then once again, okay, the light's still on. I'm just pulling out the wires that was tucked away here nice and neatly. So once you have that out, there's also a clip there at the back that you also need to press to get this whole LED bulb out. Now with everything removed here, as well as our LED light, I will be installing this Xenon, the left side of the Xenon kit as well. Put that in, and then yeah, that is how you do both sides. It's not that difficult. It's quite easy. Just need a bit of patience, and then you'll get it done. Let's complete the side. Just gonna wait until nighttime, and then once it's nighttime, then we will just take it for a test drive to see how the spotlights, while the brights are working. Because like I said, the lights previously was really bad, and I really hope this is an improvement. It's supposed to be, because it's a Xenon kit. Xenon kits are expensive and they are much brighter than normal lights, but we'll see. Let's wait till nighttime. Okay, so here with the testing, this is normal lights now showing. It is night time, doesn't really look like it on the camera. So this is normal lights. Ek weet nie of hy sy skerper vir jou so hierdie ligte nou like if a bigger skerper. And now the issue that I have, not the issue, but the concern that I have is the brights. So here we're gonna switch on the brights, and yeah, it seems like you can barely see anything. Does seem like it's a bit brighter, but it still looks like daytime. Still looks like the normal lights, the normal dumps. So I really don't think this is an improvement, to be honest with you, with this Xenon kit. Lekker vir jou bright, soos brights. Nee, glad nie. Yeah, so yeah, I believe might change these bulbs again, as I'm not happy with them at all. There's normal, that's brights.
Bright is brighter dan die.
Sê weer?
Sê die bright is brighter as die ander. Sy bright is.
Sy brighter so?
Ja.
So dink ek gaan vir jou werk so?
Ek ry nie, so ek weet nie.
Okay, but yeah, I'm not too happy with it. We'll have a look and see. Test it. Let's go around the block where there's absolutely no lights. Let's see maybe if there's an improvement. Like hierdie braai is regtig vir jou reg.
So 'n bietjie beter as die ander.
Sal jy sê jy is happy met hierdie?
Ja, lyk beter as die ander. Maar dan gaan nie op die dims kan ry nie. Want en op die
So.
dinges gaan ek niks sien nie.
Soos die.
Ja, gaan ek sien.
Dus die oorspronklike ligte wat in was nie nog skerper nie. Eintlik.
Ek kan onthou.
Dalk maar net insit en kyk. Ja, as jy kos, ja, laat jy nou maar eers 'n bietjie met hom ry so en hom so gebruik en dan ja, maar kyk of jou werk of nie. Nou die, as jy nou weer omgaan. Die probleem wat ek het met die ligte is dat sodra dit na rukkie af was en die kort dadelik jou brights, dan sy dim. Dan moet hy eers warm word. Dan word hy beter. En dit is die enigste groot probleem wat ek het. En ek like dit ook net so skyn gaan van blou na wit toe nie. Lyk my lekker kom in eintlik.